Yeah, what is going on, friends? What is going on? Now, I want to show you guys what I say, the continuation of this strategy, this tool that I put out to people. Look at, okay, look at. This is the machine, and you can see the alert it's giving the alert from today when it set this bar as the open bar, and it set our entry level, stop loss level. Okay, it set it for us. Now look at where the price is now. If you can see price now my entry for today is this white line right here. This is my entry for today. As soon as I listen to the signal of this bar open, this is my entry for today. This white dotted line here is my entry for today. As you can see, it's run into profit. Now my entry for yesterday, okay, where yesterday started right here, okay, it gave a stop loss level and say it's a buy, okay, and then what happened? I got in right at the top here yesterday with I took two entry yesterday, okay, and look at what happened. What happened today? The third profit of yesterday was hitting today, okay, and this second one here is still yesterday. So that is the second. I've hitting one TP of yesterday. I'm gonna hit the second one, and then the TP of today will be hit as the market continues to to go up. Now there's something I want to explain about this tool. When you take a look at a few days ago, where they gave a bottom here, okay, it has helped us to identify the bottom. Look at the next day, it gave a bottom here. It has helped us to identify a bottom. And look at this day, it gave a bottom here. It has helped us to identify a bottom. Now, what is this telling us? You see, this is telling us in a very simple language that trend is going up. That is what it's telling us, that trend is going up. Look, there's one secret I have to show you now, but let me remove this one. That is not part of this video. It's not part of this story, but it depends on your knowledge. Okay, I don't want to put too much things in your head, people. Look at this thing right here. Let me switch this one off. Look at this one right here, this thing. You see, this one shows me the position of the pair I'm taking. What is the position right in the Forex market globally? Look at this, is AUD USD. AU. We call it AU. Let me find it. Look at AU. Now, previously, AU was down right here. Secondly, AU jumped to the top, and now AU is here. You see, what this is telling me is that all these things at the bottom, they will find their way to the top. So all these things you see at the bottom, this one at the bottom here, it is better to go and buy it. AU also was here, which I started to look at AU as a buy. Then I started to buy AU. Okay, this is AU. It's finding its way to the top. As price goes up, okay, it finds its way to the top. Now, let's forget about that one now, because because I don't want to give you the knowledge of this. This one is here is too much. It's for big traders who have been trading for years, because to understand this one is a big shift on the head, especially how to combine it with what is going on your chart. Look at these ones here. These ones here are the ones that will be going back into selling position. Look at this GBP okay, it's at this top. Now all these ones, they will be going back to reverse zone when they get to plus 100%. See, we don't need this tool. I just wanna let you see exactly how it relates to what is going on this chart. Okay, AUD will find its way to the top and it will get to 100%. Okay, now with that concept in my mind now, and this set the trade for me every day. Okay, I don't need to worry about anything anymore, because this one already set the trade. What do I need to do? Just jump in blindly. Yeah, jump in blindly. Okay, that is it. It has set the trade for you. Tells you that, hey, come and see your Fibonacci. Those of you who are confused about Fibonacci, I've never seen any Fibonacci that does this, to set the trade for you and tell you exactly where you should likely expect a turnaround. Okay, look, when we go above this zone, definitely there should be a turnaround. We got yesterday's take profit, and we are heading to go and get today's take profit. Look how sweet is this. Okay, how sweet is this one that set your trades for you? Okay, because there's one thing about this market. The market is same like a driver who has a lot of appointments, and he has a calendar and a kind of alert that alert him about his schedule. He's a busy man. Now he got his phone, a calendar on his phone that alert him of his schedule, what he wanna do, where he want to go. So on that day, the phone alert started ringing, just like that, and he saw the message on his phone. Hey, Mr. John, today you are going to, let's say, today you are going to Chicago. Okay, see, Mr. John has been programmed to go to Chicago that day. So he already knew he will go to Chicago. He doesn't need to think, hey, where am I going today? Where am I going today? Do you see this? This is what this Fibonacci is doing for you. Okay? It sets your trade. You know that yes, this market will go up for this day. You see this big bullish candle coming up. Okay? Now this big bullish candle coming up. Okay? Now you see. We know the market goes from here and end here today. So we don't need to crack our brain. Now let's say the busy driver now get his car, put on a navigation system. He program it, hey, Chicago. And the navigation system will lead him on the road how to get to Chicago without making any mistake. Without thinking about, hey, am I going to turn left here? Am I going to turn right here? Those are the thinking that cause accidents on the road. when a driver is thinking. Now, it applies to this Forex. When you don't even know where the market will go. So when you see a bullish candle jump up, you jump in. You say it's a buy. That candle pull back. You jump out. You see? What accident is happening there? Accident of you cutting your loss. You quickly cut your loss. But by the time you do that 100 times, your account is blown away. Because your own mind is programmed to cut your loss. Okay? To cut your loss fast. That is the programming in your mind. Your mind is not programmed to know where the market wants to go. So, every trader will definitely do what has been programmed in their mind. So definitely, if there are some traders who are confused out there, it's because their mind have been programmed to be confused. So all you need to do is just not to be part of them, to separate yourself from those type of traders. Look at this. This is just early morning. I have been running into profit. I'm booking profit. If you have this type of system and you follow it every day, consistently on and on, you are generating consistent profit, my brother, my sister. And what again? What do you need again? You will just be smiling. Look, set your trade, go to your bed and sleep. Or you bring a glass of wine and start enjoying your life. If you like, you can go out credit. Tell them you're coming back to pay them in 2 years' time when you blow, because this is the Fibonacci that will make you blow. If you cannot get hand on this, 2019 is coming and you don't want to be in the same situation by 2019. 2020 Olympic, you want to be there. You want to be there. You got to go say enough is enough to failure. Don't be that guy. When people type a prayer point on social media, like, hey, God will bless you, don't be the first person to jump in and say amen. Instead, when somebody throw out a tool like this that will save you from anything, even from scammers, be the first person to jump in and pick it up. Do you understand? Yeah, because I've been using this tool for a long time and I kept it secret. A lot of people have something that they are using but they keep secret. You understand? So, I think you see that on my screen with the proof that I'm using it, so I cannot talk about those things that I don't use. When I use something, I come to show you guys. See, I'm using it. Look at what is going on. See the alert. This thing is doing exactly what I said. You understand? That shows you nothing but every proof that yes, this guy behind the screen talking is using that tool. Do you see this? Who can speak about a tool that he did not create, if not the user? And if the maker of this tool hear me the way I'm speaking about this tool, the maker will be happy. The maker might even compensate me for talking about his tool. See, this is to show you how confident I am about this tool. I didn't grab it 2 days. I didn't grab it in 1 week. I've been using it for 3 years. You are so lucky that you got me sitting down and teaching you how to use it. I was never taught how to use it. I was never taught. I made mistake with it. I made a lot of mistake with it until the day I understand how to use it. Thank you very much. I don't want this video to be long. If you like it, click the link on that video and go and grab it. Thank you guys. Thank you.